Guys, welcome to Cooking with Trini. Well, you know I'm a Trinidadian, that's why Trini. My name is Sharon, and today we're going to do chicken palau. So it's a Trinidadian dish, it's a one-pot dish, and it's our first video, so we want you to like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications, and share the video if you like it or if you enjoy it and if it will help someone else cook.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good boy. So we're pouring in a bit of oil in the pot. That's it. Then we're going to add some brown sugar. Again, it's about 3 tablespoons. But I'm going to throw my, because I kind of... And that sugar needs to brown. Or caramelize. So as you can see, the sugar is caramelizing, so you need it to get really brown to do your chicken and your peas. You're going to brown your chicken and your peas together. So you see sugar is getting really brown now. That's what we want. And now so that's basically what you want. And now you're going to throw in your chicken. And turning the chicken up properly. You need to fry your chicken off. Like, make sure you brown it. So this is gungo peas. This one is tropical sun, so you can use any ones that you like, yeah? Ethan's gonna throw it in. This is the Dunn's River gungo peas. So it's just showing you guys that there are different varieties out there. And again, we're going to throw it in. So that's 2 tins. And then we're going to stir this properly. So this is all in the caramelization. Obviously, if you're using chicken pieces, you make sure your chicken pieces all brown nicely. Right? Now, we're going to add our onions, peppers, and garlic, yeah? Add the onions. And then your peppers. Now your garlic will be up to you how you want to do it. What I usually do is just put it before in, and then during the cooking process it will come to the top, and then I will mash it because it's nice. It gives it a sweeter flavor. So this needs to cook down nicely. Right. Leave that now. I will leave that for a good 3 to 4 minutes. So I'm adding some pasta sauce that I had in my cupboard. Again, you could use tin tomatoes or pasta sauce if you have it. So I would add about, I would say that's about half a jar. I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And I'm adding about 2 to 3 tablespoons of brown sauce. Alright, and then we stir that up, and then we add our carrots. At this point, if you were using pumpkin, which I don't have, you would add your grated pumpkin, because that gives it a really nice body and flavor. So again, we're doing this on lockdown, so some of the ingredients, like I said, we don't have. So this would be your carrots and pumpkin added at this point. So now you can see the chicken is letting go its own water. So we drying that down as much as we could. You don't want it to go too dry, because I'm using chicken breast. Obviously, if you're using whole chicken, it's fine, because your whole chicken will take a little bit longer to cook. And then I'm gonna add my stock cube. I'm just using one that I had in the cupboard. So this is a chicken stock cube I'm adding. Right. And then again, I'm using a tin of coconut milk. So I'm gonna pour in the coconut milk. Right, and then we mix all of that around nicely. At this point, what I would do now is add I have Italian herbs, so I'm using Italian herbs, but you could use any green herbs or whatever you want. I would say about, because you have to take into consideration that rice has to go into this, so you want all the flavors for the rice as well. I'm using all-purpose seasoning, again, whatever all-purpose seasoning you have in your cupboard. Salt, and black pepper. So I would use about probably 1 teaspoon of black pepper, but again, you have to put it to your taste. Now normally we would be doing spring onions and adding anything that we had green in the house, which we don't have a lot of at the moment. So spring onions, probably some coriander, if you like coriander, if not, leave it out. So this is my 3 cups of rice. I washed it. This is basmati rice. So I washed it really well until the water was running clear. And then I soaked it for the last hour. And now I drained it. And I'm adding it in now. Careful, Eve, you have to hold the pot. Put this pot in here. And now we're going to stir it. Ethan's helping me stir it at the moment. Such a good helper. And you just want to stir it in. Make sure you stir your rice in properly. And now I am going to add about 3 cups of boiling water. So this is boiling water from the kettle. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now we're gonna add about 4, 5, 6. Now the reasoning behind the 6 cups, I forgot, is that we did 3 cups of rice. So how much ever rice you do, you want to do double that in water. So if you use 2 cups of rice, you'll be using 4 cups of water. I use 3 cups, so I'm using 6 cups of water. Now I'm going to add my Worcestershire sauce, my soy sauce. So Worcestershire sauce, I'm adding my soy sauce. I'm going to add right, and then you mix it up. Now I'm gonna taste this sauce because you can have an idea of how it's gonna taste. So I'm gonna taste a little bit of the sauce to make sure it tastes like how I want it to taste. Perfect. Now I think that's perfect for us, but again, you probably will have to add more salt or whatever you want there. That's it. Now this covers with a tight lid. Whatever pan you're using, make sure it's a lid that's gonna seal it. Covers, and this cooks for 7 minutes. So that's our 7 minutes done in our time. Now I'm just gonna turn my stove off. And I'm gonna leave that now for a minute. No stove on, just leave it for another 7 minutes so all the rice to absorb the water, etc. If you're using brown rice, you have to turn your pot now and make sure your rice is cooked. If it's not cooked, you may have to either cover it and leave it again or add a little bit more water and keep checking it. That's how you have to do the brown rice. This is just for the basmati rice. This is how the method we use for the basmati rice. So now this is your pilau and it's done. I'm just gonna move it around so you can see what the consistency should be. Yep. Remember I told you about your garlic, so that's really soft, so you could just mash it up. Smash it and then put it through because all the garlic cloves. Otherwise, if you would have grated it or however you would have done it, it's fine as well. And that's it. That's pilau done, guys. So that's your pilau done now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully you guys enjoy cooking the pilau. It'll be nice to see your pictures as well. If you want to post up your pictures, that'll be nice to see. Thanks, guys. See you soon.